Want to hear something shocking? Studies show that only 1/3 of Americans use a budget. That means most people are winging it with their money. No wonder so many feel stressed about finances. The truth is, budgeting can be tough. Life throws curveballs, unexpected expenses pop up, and it's easy to overspend. But don't worry, there's hope. You can master your money and achieve financial peace of mind. It all starts with a budget. What is a budget anyway? A budget is essentially a financial plan that outlines how you will allocate your income and manage your expenses over a specific period, usually a month. It's a tool that helps you track your spending, save for future goals, and ensure you're not living beyond your means. It's simply a plan for your money. By creating a budget, you can see exactly where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. This can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize what's truly important to you. It tells your income where to go each month. Instead of wondering where your money went, you'll have a clear picture of your financial situation. This can be incredibly empowering and help you make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. Just like a map guides you to your destination, a budget guides you to your financial objectives. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or your child's education, a budget can help you get there. Why is budgeting so important? Budgeting is crucial because it provides a clear framework for managing your finances. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and find yourself in financial trouble. A budget helps you stay organized and focused on your financial goals. First, it gives you control. When you have a budget, you're in charge of your money. You decide how much to spend on different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and savings. This control can help you avoid overspending and ensure you're living within your means. You decide where your money goes instead of letting it slip through your fingers. By tracking your expenses and sticking to your budget, you can prevent money from being wasted on unnecessary purchases. This can help you save more and achieve your financial goals faster. Second, it helps you reach your goals faster, whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or retiring early. A budget allows you to allocate funds towards your goals and track your progress. This can motivate you to stay on track and make any necessary adjustments to reach your objectives. Finally, budgeting brings peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan for your money can reduce financial stress and anxiety. You'll feel more confident in your ability to manage your finances and handle any unexpected expenses that come your way. No more stressing about bills or overspending. With a budget, you'll know exactly how much you can afford to spend and save each month. This can help you avoid debt and build a solid financial foundation for the future. You'll know exactly where you stand financially. A budget provides a clear picture of your income, expenses, and savings. This can help you make informed decisions about your money and ensure you're on the right track to achieving your financial goals. Let's face it, budgeting isn't always easy. We all face challenges. Whether it's the end of the month and the bills are piling up, or unexpected expenses have thrown your carefully planned budget into disarray, it can feel like an uphill battle. The stress of managing finances can be overwhelming, and it's something we've all experienced at one point or another. One common obstacle is overspending. It's so easy to swipe that credit card without a second thought, especially when you're out shopping and everything seems like a must-have. The allure of sales, discounts, and the latest gadgets can be hard to resist. Before you know it, your cart is full and your budget is blown. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and buy things we don't need. The thrill of a new purchase can be intoxicating, leading to impulsive decisions that we later regret. This kind of spending can quickly derail even the most well-thought-out budget, leaving us wondering where all our money went. Another challenge is lack of motivation. Sitting down to create a budget can feel like a chore, especially after a long day of work. The thought of crunching numbers and planning expenses isn't exactly exciting. It's easy to procrastinate and put it off, thinking you'll get to it later, but later never seems to come. Creating a budget takes effort, and it's easy to lose steam. You might start with the best intentions, but as the days go by, maintaining that level of commitment can be tough. Life gets busy, distractions come up, and before you know it, your budget is left unfinished and forgotten. Finally, many people feel overwhelmed by the thought of budgeting. The sheer amount of information and the complexity of financial planning can be daunting. It's not uncommon to feel lost or confused, unsure of where to begin or how to keep track of everything. This sense of overwhelm can be paralyzing, making it difficult to take the first step. They don't know where to start or think it's too complicated. But don't despair. These challenges are surmountable. With a bit of guidance and the right approach, you can navigate through the confusion and find a system that works for you. It's all about breaking it down into manageable steps and staying consistent. With the right tools and strategies, you can overcome them and achieve budgeting success. There are numerous apps and resources available that can simplify the process, making it easier to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. By setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories along the way, you can build a sustainable budgeting habit that leads to financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, every step you take towards better budgeting is a step towards a more secure and stress-free financial future. Simple tips for budgeting success. Budgeting can seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool to help you achieve financial stability and reach your goals. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just trying to get a better handle on your finances, these tips can set you on the right path. Ready to take charge of your finances? It all starts with understanding where your money is going and making a plan to manage it effectively. By taking small, manageable steps, you can build a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Here are some practical tips to get you started. These tips are designed to be easy to implement and can make a big difference in your financial health over time. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and patience. First, try the 50/30/20 rule. This simple budgeting method can help you allocate your income in a balanced way. By dividing your income into 3 categories, you can ensure that you're covering your essential needs, enjoying some of your wants, and still saving for the future. Allocate 50% of your income to needs like housing, food, and transportation. These are your essential expenses that you can't do without. Make sure to prioritize these in your budget to ensure that your basic needs are always met. 30% to wants such as entertainment and dining out. It's important to enjoy life and treat yourself occasionally. By setting aside a portion of your income for fun activities, you can enjoy your life without feeling guilty about spending money. And 20% to savings and debt repayment. This portion of your budget is crucial for building a secure financial future. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a big purchase, or paying off debt, this category will help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Next, track your expenses. Keeping a close eye on where your money is going can help you identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook to monitor your expenses regularly. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might find that you're spending more on dining out than you realized. By tracking your expenses, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back and save more. Finally, set realistic goals. It's important to have clear, achievable goals to work towards. Don't try to change your spending habits overnight. Instead, start small and gradually work your way up. Setting realistic goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Start small and gradually work your way up. For example, you might start by setting a goal to save a small amount each month. As you get more comfortable with budgeting, you can increase your savings goals and work towards larger financial milestones. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and patience. With time and effort, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy greater financial stability. The power of the envelope system. Of all the budgeting strategies out there, one stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness: the envelope system. Here's how it works. First, decide how much cash you'll need for each spending category, like groceries, gas, and entertainment. Then, place that amount of cash in separate envelopes labeled with each category. Once an envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category for the month. This method forces you to stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Consistency is key. Stay the course. Budgeting isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. The key to success is consistency. Make it a habit to review your budget regularly, at least monthly. Adjust your spending plan as needed based on your income and expenses. Life is full of surprises, so be prepared to adapt your budget when necessary. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but don't give up. Stay focused on your goals and celebrate your progress. Share your budgeting wisdom. Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable budgeting secrets to master your money and achieve financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power. but action brings results. Take what you've learned and put it into practice. Start budgeting today and watch your financial dreams become a reality. Now it's your turn. What are your best budgeting tips? Share your wisdom in the comments below and let's learn from each other. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and watch these other helpful videos.